If you're experiencing login errors on iCloud, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can cause login errors. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router. Step 2. Verify Apple ID and password. Double check that you are entering the correct Apple ID and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Apple ID or Password link to reset it. Step 3. Update your device. Make sure your device is running the latest version of iOS, macOS, or iPadOS. Go to Settings to Annual Software Update to check for updates and install any available updates. Step 4. Check Apple System status. Visit the Apple System status page to see if there are any ongoing issues with iCloud services. If there are outages, you may need to wait until Apple resolves the issue. Step 5. Sign out and sign back in. If the problem persists, try signing out of your iCloud account and then signing back in. Go to Settings, your name, sign out, and then follow the prompts to sign back in. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors on iCloud. If issues continue, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.